Anyways, it's not like I'm going out with this makeup look. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a fun video where I'm going to be recreating 80s makeup, and I'm super excited because this is really colorful and fun. And yeah, this is the reference photo that I'll be recreating. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm going to use the 35B palette. I really want to buy the Perfect Carnival palette, but let's see where I can get my hands on it because customs are really expensive, and yeah, I just don't want to spend my money on customs. Anyways, I'm going to be using yellow, then this light green, the pastel green, then the dark emerald green, and this magenta, and maybe a bit of the pink neon. So yeah, I don't have to keep picking up the palette. So this is such a fun look. I've been procrastinating. It's literally Friday and I didn't have the energy in me to film, so I didn't. But I don't force myself to film a video unless I'm in that mood, because I know that then the video will be like average or like really boring. I need to be in that mood, like that mindset. Anyways, not me going off tangent again. And while editing, I regret always going off tangent. Taking the lightest green in the palette, the matte one, and I'm just going to be patting this to create that green color she has on her eyes. Such a beautiful shade of green. I wish my eyeshadows were a tad bit brighter, but gotta be resourceful, right? Placing it on top of the yellow. The 80s had such fun bright makeup looks, and now there's a less is more mindset. I feel with Euphoria it's brought back a lot of funky makeup looks, which I love and here for, because makeup is totally a form of self-expression. Also, forgot to mention I've already done my base because bases are boring for me. Then I'm taking a more precise brush, taking that emerald green and just patting that on the outer edge. Make sure you pat your eyeshadows and don't rub it, because that's where the pigment goes everywhere. You'll get fallout. So fun tip, I forgot to prime my eyes. Can you believe me? Oh my gosh. Anyways, it's not like I'm going out with this makeup look. I literally wear it for 20 minutes, make a reel, take my thumbnail, and that's it. That's like a day in the life of Kiona. Honestly, my day in the life would be just so boring, because besides that all I do is nap, maybe read, and I'm on my phone watching reels. So yeah, don't ever ask me to film a day in the life, because you're gonna get like so bored. It's like recording myself. Recording a video would be recordingception. Anyways, not me having an epiphany in the middle of a video. Really? Okay, I'm taking that same brush in that light green and just patting it on the front just to get like that more like homogeneous kind of a blend. Homogeneous, I don't know. But I'm taking the yellow and just using that to buff any harsh lines. Okay, so I'm taking a fluffy shader brush and taking the darkest green in the palette, just using that to create like kind of a wing of the outer part, just ever so slightly, so my droopy eyes look kind of lifted or whatever, without like the effort of doing a wing. Taking that yellow shade and blending it. Okay, then I'm going to clean off the same brush, and I am taking that magenta shade and just putting that on the lower lash line. Be very careful, make sure you dust off the excess because you might go from cute to I haven't slept in 10 days real quick. Wait, this is so fun. Anyways, I'm taking the same brush again, putting that yellow shade on the inner corner to like bring some light back into my eyes, my sleep deprived eyes. Oh my gosh, look at me trying to be quirky. Look at me trying to be quirky. Yeah, I think that's the eyes, and I'm going to just quickly draw quick. Just draw a normal wing, just line the eye. Okay, so now that I've done my eyeliner, my eyes are watering. Oh my gosh, I have to correct it, I went out of line. But I'm going to do my brows, like a light fluffy brow, and I'm going to put mascara and be right back. Okay, so now I'm taking this the Makeup Revolution contour palette and using the lightest shade to add some inner corner highlights, brow bone highlight on my nose. I'll use another one on my cheek and just lightly contour my nose. Then, now is the fun part, she's wearing a lot of blush. This is like the perfect blush, literally made for this look. This is the Body Shop Color Crush Berry Cheeky in Fuchsia Declaration. It's literally made for this look. She's wearing it all here, like on the hairline, temples too. So just do that. I'm aware that it's a lot, but it's literally what the look calls for. So yeah, I'm having fun. Just a bit on my nose. Then I'm slightly contouring. I was so slightly just running some on my cheeks. Okay. Then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter, and yeah, they like lots of glitter in the 80s, so I'm giving them a glitter fantasy. Now last but not the least, taking a brown lip liner. This is Brandy Wine by Wet n Wild. And then I'm taking the Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 04. While that dries, I'm just putting some setting spray. Just putting a bit of gloss. And now I'm going to dress up and give you the final reveal. So this is the finished makeup look. Super different, and I had put my hair in braids, so I got like this kind of wave situation, but it was cuter in my head. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.